like this day would never come. We're finally ready to get the crossmember back in the car. The engine bay behind me is all painted, ready to go. We'll get the Boosted Fabrications mount on here, get this installed, then we'll do the wiper motor, and then we can move on to some other things we have left. So still got to finish shaving the rear hatch. We got to paint the side skirts. We got to do the rear bumper. The rear fenders are ready to go with the quarters, the air overlays, and then we have just a couple little touch-ups here and there, but I think we're through all the hard parts now. We're waiting for our hood to show up from Carbonetics. I got a rear diffuser coming. Lots to go, but I think it's time we put some parts back on the car, so let's get going. The Bible for the car. Everything you need, torque specs, everything, so we're gonna make sure everything's torqued down the spec, and this is gonna help us. I'm gonna get the brake booster in. This is set up from before, but we'll get the bias too. We'll get all this mounted, so get out of the way. Let's get it on the car. Booster's in, master's in, and then I gotta get some hardware for here. So just something black to match everything else. So I'm just gonna leave that tacked in for now so it's not upside down and leaking. I'm gonna put the brake bias in right now, and then that'll be it for the bay for the time being. And then obviously we got the wiper motor up top, so. To me, the wiper motor's always been a pain just because it always scratches. It's just so tight getting in. There's like only one way that it actually like lines up. So let's see how bad we can scratch the engine bay up. Got the bay painted, we got the brake booster in, the master, got the bias in, gonna rerun some of the lines, get some stuff made up. I've got to take our intercooler to stew. We gotta get some Van Gyn fittings put on the ends of these, so get rid of the couplers, clean it up, do some custom piping, had a leak before in the BOV. Intercooler, I'll get the Van Gyn clamps put on the end of that too. We got the wiper motor in. It's just sitting here for now, just the time being. We got the pedals in, just not connected, so that's in. We've got the rear of the car ready to go, so I'll show you guys what's going on too on the back side. So working on the side skirts. Just got to do a lot of sanding and prepping those. And then as we walk through, we got all of the skirts, all the lip packages, rear AR fenders, the overlays. So those are good to go. And when I tell you guys I've gone through a lot of paint there, you can see the amount of cans. Just sometimes I don't even know if it's worth actually spraying your stuff yourself. It's by the time you add up all the cans of paint, it gets expensive very fast, but we're making good progress. Come a long way. We're gonna get into the fun stuff now. So just in the next couple of videos, you'll see we got to finish the hatch, which is down here. Start shaving that. I got to do all the body work on that still. We'll get that all cleaned up. So the 1G rod that I got, it actually, the spaces in the 2G, they're actually different spacings. So it's going to mark that up now. I'm going to take that to Stu as well. He's going to move those over just so it'll drop in. We went with the 1G on here just for the whole set, just to get the rad pipe away from the intake and everything and kind of move it over there, because the 2G's in the middle, the 1G's over on the side, so do some AN lines on it to clean it up. And then we got to shave, still got to finish shaving the old antenna spot, so, and then I get these fenders on, the overlays, have to figure out with the gas cap here. So with the over fenders and then the sparkle gas cap, it's hitting here. I don't really want to go to a fuel cell, just having that inside the car, just with the smell on that, but I'm sure I could do like a vent out. But right now, looking at solution, worst case is I can go with the radium and it would fit in the spare tire well, and then I have to move the battery kind of over here. But so hoping to have the car in the next couple weeks on the road again. Might take a little bit longer than I was anticipating, just with the custom work and all the piping and the lines. Still got to paint the roll cage, do the calipers, and then we can just kind of work our way through. So lots done, lots to go, but we'll see you in a couple weeks, guys.